Welcome back to another QiYi video. Today I'm going to show you a really bad 2x2. This is the QiDi W. It's like $4, and yeah, the YouTube moves are like this cube is like really tight, like literally it does like no corner cutting at all. Yeah, it's not gonna turn. And just watch this T-pin on it. Okay, the last part was better, but still, it's pretty bad. Yeah. Yeah. I tried loosening the cube, and it just like it's a little bit better, but it's still like really bad. And the reverse corner cutting, look, it's aligned, and it's not even turning. And also the top, like swap these corners and these corners, like this algorithm. And the Ortega method. Yeah, I mean this one does work, but it's mainly like double moves, which is like much better to turn on this cube. Yeah, it's not turning. And that is the end of the video. Please subscribe for more videos, like more QiYi videos. Bye.